Monster Dump Trucks by Nick Gordon. Monster dump trucks. Giant dump trucks help builders and miners move heavy loads. Every dump truck has a cab. This is where the driver sits. The white arrow is pointing to the cab. The bed is a large box behind the cab. It holds sand, dirt, and more. Off-road dumpers. The largest dump trucks do not travel on roads. They are too big. Some dump trucks are taller than houses. The tires can be taller than a person. People use ladders to climb into these dump trucks. Biggest dump trucks. The biggest dump trucks have king-size beds. They carry up to 400 tons. That is the weight of 200 cars. The end.